for them right now?
Number one, the assumption that he brings candidates is incorrect. He doesn't bring candidates. Those candidates happen to be there. These candidates are very creative. They know the schedule of the president, so they go there, and when the president sees them, if they see him, or if he sees them, kasi if he doesn't see them, he doesn't say anything eh. You notice, mga speeches niya, dire-diretso, tapos bigla, pag nakita niya, and then he says something good. Ganun siya eh. So, it's not intentional on his part.
So it's just that they're...
Magagaling lang yung mga kandidato, marunong na.
So he did not invite them to these
No,
events?
he doesn't
Yung mga
do that
barangay
eh.
summit because,
No, he doesn't do that. Ibang style ni Presidente. Si Presidente, live and let live. Diyan ka, okay. Kung wala ka, okay ba rin? Okay sa kanya eh. Hindi siya galon.
So should this candidate stay away from itong mga ganitong events because somehow...
Who will stay away? The candidates?
Oh, like
Well, you cannot stop them. They're citizens of this country. There is no prohibition to be attending functions and events. Eh, in fact, kung ako kandidato, ganun din ang gagawin ko. Siyempre, pag alam ko merong lugar na pwede akong makampanya.
Why?
Is there a violation? No. If Comelec na nga nagsabi, there's no violation ng pag-endorse. Wala namang masama sa pag-endorse. Saka, sinasabi niya lang naman ng qualities nitong maman to. Gusto niyo, di. Kung ayaw niya naman, di ba sabi niya, kung ayaw niya, di wag.
Even if it's done on a national television,
Yeah,
like
even
a government television,
Okay, even then.
government media.
Even then, wala masama doon. All presidents do that. Mas grabe pa nga yung mga ito nga, ibang klase ito dahil he doesn't.
And there's nothing wrong with that, sir.
There's nothing wrong with endorsing or praising someone who is running for the Senate.